In this video, I'll show you how to turn off notifications on your iPhone while playing games. Now, it's nice and simple. All we need to do is head over to the settings application. We're just going to scroll down the settings menu until you see focus and click on this. Then right at the top, click on do not disturb. And what we're going to do here is just customize some of these settings for when we're using the do not disturb feature. So right now, if you enable do not disturb on your phone, it's going to block all of your notifications. However, we can use this feature to allow certain notifications, whether it's from specific people or specific apps. So for example, if I click on people on the left hand side, we can select allow notifications from, and then you can choose who you want notifications to be turned on for. You can also select phone calls at the bottom and select allow calls from your contacts, or you can set this to only specific people. It really comes down to personal preference. And we can come back out of this window, click on options just below, and you'll see silence notifications. If you want all notifications to be disabled when you're gaming, then you need to set this to always, like so. Then we can come back out of here again. You can also click on apps, and that way we can allow certain notifications from specific apps when we're gaming. Alternatively, you can just leave this blank and it will disable all notifications. Then you're going to scroll down to set a schedule, and you can actually automatically enable this for every time you start playing your game. So for example, if I click on add schedule at the bottom here, click on app, and then select the app that we want this feature enabled for. So I'm just going to scroll down and select Roblox. Now what this is going to do is every time we launch the Roblox application, it's going to automatically turn on do not disturb. And then when we have do not disturb on, it's going to obviously apply all of these filters. Now if you don't see these do not disturb options on your phone, you may need to upgrade to iOS 18. You can do that just by heading over to the settings menu, scroll all the way up to general and click on software update, and just ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. And then finally, if you don't want to set a schedule and you want to turn on do not disturb manually, all you need to do is bring up the control center, which you can do by moving your finger down the screen like so. And then where it says focus, you're just going to change this to do not disturb and make sure we have this turned on like so. And then we can come back into our home screen and just launch up our game, and we're now going to have all of our notifications disabled. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.